Hello children, this video is the continuation of your last science chapter, Soil Erosion and Conservation. In the last video, you have learned on soil erosion. So soil erosion is the wearing away of topsoil, and this will remove the fertile portion of the soil and hence the land becomes unfit for farming. And the topsoil is carried away either by wind or water, which are natural processes, or by human activities. We have already discussed on various human activities like deforestation, overgrazing, etc. In this video, you are going to learn the methods by which soil can be conserved. That is soil conservation. So, it takes thousands of years to form a layer of soil, but it can get eroded within a few years. So, it is therefore important to protect the soil from soil erosion. So, what is soil conservation? It is the protection of soil against erosion and nutrient loss. We have already learned that plant roots hold the soil particles together. So, one method by which erosion can be prevented will be afforestation or planting new trees. So, afforestation or planting trees will be very effective in preventing soil erosion, particularly in hilly areas where the grass grown on slopes prevent soil erosion caused by the water flowing down the slopes. We knew that after a crop is harvested, till the next crop is sown, the soil becomes barren or it will be unfit for farming. That type of soil will be easily eroded by wind or water. So one way to protect this type of soil will be soil cover. Growing grass or covering the land with dried vegetation will be an easy way to protect soil from erosion by wind or water. So this is known as soil cover. Soil erosion by wind can be prevented by building shelter belts. So these are the shelter belts that are grown on farmlands. This will prevent soil erosion that is occurring by wind. Growing trees along the edges of farmland as windbreakers will prevent soil erosion by wind. The next method of soil conservation is terrace farming. Along the slopes of hills, farming is done by cutting steps in the slopes. We can see slopes right here. So this will reduce the speed of water as it is flowing down. Thus, reducing the soil erosion by water. Broad, flat steps or terraces are made on the steep slopes, so the flat surfaces are available to grow crops. The soil eroded from one step will be deposited on the next step, thus reducing the loss of soil. This is known as terrace farming. Strong bunds or embankments are another way to prevent soil erosion. You can see people building bunds along the sides of the river to protect them from soil erosion. High bunds also prevent erosion of soil by preventing flooding. Now we can sum up the different soil conservation methods. The first one, that is afforestation or planting new trees, shelter belts or windbreakers, soil cover done by either growing grass or dried vegetation on bare soil, terrace farming, where farming is done by cutting steps in the slopes, thus reducing the speed of water and hence the soil erosion. And the last method is building embankments or strong bunds, thus preventing the soil from erosion. Hope you have understood the different conservation methods. Thank you.